Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English with VB podcast. I'm Ria.
And I'm Aarav. We're really happy to have you here with us again.
Today's episode is very interesting and very practical for every English learner.
Yes, today we are going to talk about how to speak English without hesitation in real-life situations.
Many learners understand English, but when they need to speak in real life, they hesitate.
They feel nervous, they pause, and sometimes they stay silent.
This hesitation becomes a big barrier.
So today we will discuss how to remove hesitation and speak confidently.
Let's start with a simple question.
Why do learners hesitate?
I think the biggest reason is fear of judgment.
Yes, they think, what will others think?
They are afraid of making mistakes.
And this fear stops them from speaking.
But the truth is, people are not judging you as much as you think.
Everyone is busy in their own life.
And even if someone notices, it doesn't matter.
You are learning, and learning includes mistakes.
Let's talk about the first step to remove hesitation.
Accept that mistakes are normal.
Yes, don't try to be perfect.
Focus on communication.
Even if your sentence is not perfect, it is okay.
The goal is to express your idea.
Let's talk about the second step.
Start speaking in small situations.
Yes, don't jump into big conversations.
Start with simple interactions.
For example, saying thank you.
Or excuse me.
Or can you help me?
These small steps build confidence.
Let's talk about daily practice.
Practice reduces hesitation.
The more you speak, the less you hesitate.
Even 5 minutes daily can help.
Consistency is more important than time.
Let's talk about thinking in English.
Yes, that helps reduce hesitation.
When you think in English, you respond faster.
You don't need to translate.
That reduces delay.
Let's talk about listening.
Listening improves confidence.
When you listen, you learn how people speak.
You learn natural expressions.
And that helps you speak.
Let's talk about preparation.
Yes, preparation reduces hesitation.
Practice common situations.
Like introducing yourself.
Or ordering food.
Or asking for directions.
These situations become easier with practice.
Let's talk about another helpful idea.
What is that?
Use simple sentences.
Yes, don't try to be complex.
Simple English is powerful.
It is easy to speak.
And easy to understand.
Let's talk about confidence.
Confidence comes from action.
Not from waiting.
The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Step by step.
Let's talk about overthinking.
Overthinking increases hesitation.
So don't think too much.
Just speak.
Even if it's not perfect.
Let's talk about body language.
Yes, body language affects confidence.
Stand straight.
Smile.
Make eye contact.
This makes you feel confident.
Let's talk about practice with others.
Yes, speaking with others helps a lot.
You can practice with friends.
Or online partners.
This gives real experience.
Let's talk about recording yourself.
That is very useful.
You can listen and improve.
And see your progress.
That builds confidence.
Let's imagine a learner who practices daily.
After 1 week, they hesitate less.
After 1 month, they feel more confident.
After 3 months, they speak comfortably.
This is the power of practice.
Let's talk about patience.
Yes, improvement takes time.
Don't expect instant results.
Stay consistent.
And trust the process.
Let's talk about one more idea.
What is that?
Reward yourself.
Yes, celebrate your progress.
Even small achievements matter.
This keeps you motivated.
Let's talk about mindset.
Yes, mindset is very important.
Think positive.
Say, I can speak English.
I'm improving every day.
This builds confidence.
Let's talk about habits.
Build a speaking habit.
Daily speaking becomes natural.
And hesitation disappears.
Let's talk about real-life use.
Yes, use English daily.
Speak whenever possible.
This strengthens your confidence.
Before we end, let's share one message.
Dear listeners, don't stay silent.
Start speaking.
Use simple sentences.
Don't fear mistakes.
Practice daily.
And believe in yourself.
Your hesitation will go away.
And your English will improve.
Thank you for listening to the English with VB podcast.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
And keep speaking English.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.